In this video, we are going to discuss the important questions of chapter first, that is resource and development. So start with question number 1. Question number 1 is examine the three major problems created as a result of indiscriminate utilization of natural resources. So you have to just explain the three problems which are created by the indiscriminate utilization of natural resources. So the following are the three major problems which created as a result of indiscriminate utilization of natural resources. The first and very important point is depletion of resources at a faster rate. This is because also because of the overpopulation. Second is accumulation of resources in the hands of few, creating a wide gap between the haves, that is the rich section, and have nots, that is the poor section of the society. Third and the main problem is increase in global crises like ozone layer depletion, global warming, pollution and land degradation. So these are the three problems which you have to just mention in this answer. Now move on to question number 2. Mention any three features of arid soil. So you have to just describe any three features of arid soil. So there are some features of arid soil first of all you have to just describe through color, then texture, and then the other things. So the first point is the color of the arid soil ranges from red to brown. Arid soils are generally sandy in texture and saline in nature. That is the second point, which is related to its texture. Third, the soils lack humus and moisture because of the dry climate, high temperature and fast evaporation. So the reason behind the soil which lacks humus and moisture is because of the following reason, which is dry climate, high temperature and fast process of evaporation. Another point is the lower parts of the soil are occupied by conker because of high calcium content, and it restricts the infiltration of water in the lower levels. So you have to just describe any 3 points. Okay. Now move on to question number 3. What is regur soil? Write it 2 features. Mention 2 reasons where they found those. So the question is divided into 3 parts. First, you have to just describe or define the soil. Then you have to also mention the 2 features of it, and then you have to write the reasons which are associated with it. So regur soil is the other name of black soil, and following are the 2 features of regur soil or black soil. The regur soil are made up of clay material. They can hold moisture and rich in soil nutrients such as calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash and lime. Second is they develop deep cracks during hot weather. When the soils are wet, they are very sticky and difficult to work on unless tilled immediately. The regur soil are found in the Deccan Trap region, which is spread over northwest Deccan Plateau. Their soils are also found in the plateaus of Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Malwa, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and along with the Godavari and Krishna Valley. Next question is, how can you contribute to minimize the pollution? Explain. So we can contribute to minimizing the pollution by the following points. The first one is creating awareness about not burning fallen leaves or garbage in a park or on the road. Second is requesting our parents and the people in the neighborhood not to dump garbage in the ponds, rivers and other water bodies, especially while performing rituals. Third is not polluting the water storage tanks at home. Next is a statement type question. So statement is land is a natural resource of utmost importance. So justify the statement with appropriate argument. So, land is a natural resource of utmost importance. It supports natural vegetation, wildlife, human life, and economic activities like agriculture, mining, transport, and communication system. 95% of our basic needs for food, shelter, and clothing are obtained from land. Therefore, it is very important to use the available land for various purposes with careful planning. Otherwise, we will be responsible for the adverse consequences.